So there's also a place where you can do the barbecue. So mostly this area here is for big gathering, maybe birthday or wedding, can be. So the trees are really make the place nicer also. So they got big swimming pools here. They got three, yeah, three swimming pools. So there's one there and here. It's quite nice. Yeah, yeah. I just wanted to dip my foot on the, what do you call that? On the sand. The water is so tempting. It's 3 feet and then 5 feet. So they got this one for adventure down there. So let's go to the sand. I thought it's wood, but it's not anymore.
No.
Before it's wood. I remember it. And now it's cement. But they didn't paint it, so it looks like wood. Oh, look at this fine sand. Wow. Is it here? Ay, we got towel, darling.
What?
We got towel in the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, we put the towel so we can sit. Trick. Oh, it's so cold. It's very cold.